Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you AWS IAM service. It's nothing but an identity access management in AWS. And the agenda of this video is we will see how to create IAM user, and then we'll set a custom password to that user, and we'll enable the multi-factor authentication, and then we'll allow some permission to that user, what that user can use it or not. And then we will log in through the newly created user. And the second important thing is this IAM service is free and it's a global one. Whether you have paid account or whether you have free tier account, you will get this service is free. Okay, so this is the agenda of this video. So we are going to do the practical now. So now, as of now, you can see this is the IAM user already there, Sahamid. So now this time we are going to create one more user and we will see the practical. And now this time I'm going to log in through the root account. So through the root account, you can go and create a user. Without root account, you will not be able to create a user. If you are giving the user complete admin authority, then only you can create. Okay, so this time I'm going to log in through the root account. So go and log in, and then the password, it will send you a MFA code, multi-factor authenticator, which you need to log in, install through the Play Store, Google Authenticator, and then the code will send to that. Just go and type that code. Now, once login, okay. Now what region is showing? Virginia. And just go in here where you are living, near that location, select that. I am living near the Mumbai location, so click the Mumbai. Where you stay, select that region only. Next important thing is you are going to see IAM is very important when you control the AWS resources. Now in the search bar already is recently visited, but I am showing you. Just go here and type IAM. See, manage access to AWS resources. This will manage the AWS resources, where you will see how to create groups, users, roles, policies. So roles, I will show you when I will teach you 2 services of AWS. On that time, I will show you these roles. Okay. So as of now, just go and create IAM. Click that one and create IAM user. It's a very important service to control your resources of AWS. Now can you see here in the dashboard, there's one group, 3 users, 18 roles and 5 policies. So now what I will do for this, and this, by the way, see, this is the global. IAM service is global, some services are regional. So this service is global. What is global, what is regional, I will tell you in another video. So go, can you see here guys, IAM user, just go and click here. Once you click, see there is 3 already user, but for you I'm going to create one user, and see here MFA is activated for these 2 accounts. So now I will show you create user, give the username. You can give any name. I am giving AWS user, and I'm giving a permission to EC2, just the name of the user, or AWS user DevOps. I'm giving user DevOps. Okay, what is the name? You can give any name. And next important thing is I'm not clicking this one here as of now. Just go and click next. And now what is asking? Permission options. See, once you create a user, it will ask you, you want to add this into the group, or copy the permissions, or attach a policy. So while what I will do, I will attach a policy. I'm giving the permission that while creating this user, I want this user to access only some services of AWS. So already I had shown you in the previous video EC2. So that based on that, I will select EC2. And in EC2, I mean, this user can use only the EC2 services out of many services of AWS. And what I will do, I'll give the full access. Can you see guys here, Amazon EC2 full access. Only one service access I am giving to this user. Okay. Next, click here, and then that is done. Now create, see, AWS users permission policy we given only EC2. This user can access only the EC2 services, not any other services. Go and create user. Now can you see user DevOps? Go here and click. The important thing is, guys, if you want to connect this through the console, I mean this one, AWS CLI, the command prompt, to create access key. So as of now, I'm not going to the command prompt. What I will do, first I will create custom password and will create enable MFA as I told you. Important, guys, see, console password. You can log this one. This is for creating for this newly user. Enable console. See here, auto generated password or custom password. We want to create our custom password. Click here and give the name of the password. I'm giving the name of the password. Next, show password. I'm not doing show password. And you can see user must create new password at next sign in. If you next sign in, if you want to, if you'll check here in the next sign in, you will have the this one option that you can create a new password. So I'm not checking this one. Enable password console. No thanks. Now do one thing, download this CSV file. So what happened? It will download your URL, username and the password. So download this one. Done. Close this. So we successfully create the custom password. Now see, very important, when you're working with a user account or root account, so you must do these multi-factor authentication. So you need to install multi-factor authentication app in mobile like Play Store, that is Google Authenticator, and see here assign MFA, and I'm assigning MFA for this user, and the device name I'm giving DevOps. Next, you want the MFA pass key or security key, authenticate user, print, fingerprint, face or screen. No, what I will do, I want this way, authenticator app. So click this one, authenticate using code generated by an app, install on your mobile. So install in your mobile this app and click next. Once you click next, can you see show QR code? Go to the in your mobile, click this one, it will show you. So scan the code in your mobile, open that authenticator app and scan this code, QR code, and then you will get MFA. So go and check 989. Okay, it will giving me 176615, and wait for some time and it will give the next one. One 16615, and wait for 30 seconds and enter the second code. Then you will get the second code after 30 seconds. So 466 and 470, 466 470. Now add MFA. We successfully enable the MFA also, guys. Can you see? Now the access key, and we will see this one is later. Now we done what? We create a custom password, we enable the MFA, and now can you see this? As of now we are logging through what? Hamid. Okay, and this is my root account and the username is Hamid, but as of now we created DevOps user. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll open this in the download. Just open this one, the file which you downloaded, and open this Excel file. Once you will open, You will get the URL. See, copy this URL, guys. What I will do, copy this URL. Once you copy the URL, go here and click. Now it will ask you username and password. So already we had given the username. See guys, copy this user and go here. This time see, IAM username is Hamid, but we just now created a new one. Paste this and the password. If you don't remember, you can copy here from here also the password. It's a user account, so you can see, because without a root account you cannot do this. Okay, don't. Okay, now password. Then just go and click here. It will ask you MFA. So go to your app and type that MFA. See guys, we successfully done the practical of how to create user, how to set a custom password and enable the MFA. Now we are in which region showing? Stockholm. Go here. See, IAM user this time. Can you see this time? User DevOps. And we are in which region? Stockholm. Go and click Mumbai region. So now we created a IAM user and we enable the multi-factor account and set a custom password. Now guys, what permissions I have given? Only to create a EC2. Apart from that, it won't create. If I'll go and create a EC2, it will get created. Okay, so I'll go. Already I taught you, teach you in the previous video EC2. So if you didn't watch it, just go and check in the link, the description. Now if I go and click here EC2, I'll now show this one very step by step, because already I done this practical many times. This purpose to create IAM user and give the permission, and in permissions I given the EC2 permission that can create. User can do anything for this EC2. Apart from EC2, if I'll go and create any other services, it won't get created. Okay, so if I'll go here, EC2 instance, there is no any instance right now. I'm going to launch one instance here, and this time IAM DevOps user is going to create this one. So my machine, my Linux, I'm selecting the Linux. Just go and watch my previous video guys. Next, selected. Okay, T2, but this time I will take only T1, T2.nano, 1 CPU and 0.5 GB memory. It will be enough for this practical. Key pair I'm not going to create for you. Already we had seen many to include practical. So I'm selecting, because here is to create, to show the IAM user access. Network setting, I'm not doing anything here. I'm selecting this default, and that's it guys. What is it already have shown you? Launch. Now launch this instance. See, we launched it successfully. Why? Because we had given a permission to this user to access this EC2. So if you go to the instance, and you can see this machine is running and is create launch. Okay, let me click this one here. Okay, so see, public IP address, everything is come. It means that we successfully launch a machine through this DevOps user. Now apart from this, if I go create any other services, suppose this time I'm going to create a S3. What is S3? Just leave it as of now. Just think about that, doesn't have the permission to use this S3 services. So I'm going to click here S3 service. Let's see whether we can create it or not, because we are not given this permission to this user to create S3 bucket. Okay, so go here, general bucket. So create bucket. What is bucket and what is S3? This service we will see in upcoming lectures. General purpose, global, done. Give the bucket name. Bucket name is always unique. Okay, cannot be same bucket. And what is ACL, what is enable, don't see what is this one. I'm not showing this tutorial today. And just go and create it. Let's see whether we can create it bucket or not. Guys, can you see? To create a bucket, create a permission is required. So we don't have permissions because we did not allow this IAM user to create a S3 bucket. Only we had given a permission EC2. So this is, we can control our AWS resources. So you guys seen, right? So thanks for watching this video, and in upcoming lectures I will show you some other topics. If anything required, please comment so that I can come up with a new topic. So I am just stopping this video here.